welcome back to KP's Kingdom, cooking with KP. Today, a nice real budget recipe, this one. This is my chicken roast stir fry. Now, if you go back and look at my spit roast chicken recipe, it is the perfect chicken for doing this particular meal. Right, so go back, look at how I do the spit roast chicken. It is the Herbie spit roast chicken. Really nice flavour profile for this recipe. Alright, so we'll let that chill right down, that chicken. We've cooked that the day before. Well, in a wok, I'm going to add in around about a cup and a half of frozen vegetables. Beans, corn, peas, carrot. And all I'm simply going to do is defrost and cook these off in the wok until they're pretty much just done. Right, and that is a very inexpensive way of getting vegetables into a meal. And don't worry, we're going to not make this too boring. It's going to be a real good flavour. So we've got those cooked off. Just going to add in one brown onion thinly sliced like that. We've removed those vegetables, of course, and we're simply going to give these a very quick light fry off. Now, I've got around about a tablespoon's worth of cornstarch or corn flour, and I'm going to mix that with a little bit of pre-prepared chicken stock. It's going to make our little sauce. So stir fry those onions off like I'm doing right there. Won't take you very long at all, only a few minutes. And if you want to start adding up what all of this is going to cost you for a meal that will serve a family of 4, believe it or not, I'm a big eater, so it's going to serve pretty much just the 2 of us, and with leftovers for lunch the next day. It's going to cost you around about $7 to $8. Right, so I've used the chicken breasts. I've taken the breasts off the bone, given those a real nice fine slice, nice little slices up. All we really need to do now is just reheat everything. So simple to do. Our chicken's there, getting a little bit of heat into it. My wok's sitting at a medium heat, around about a 5 or a 6 out of 10 or 9. Going to add in about a tablespoon and a half's worth of oyster sauce, a little squeeze of garlic paste, around about the equivalent to 1.5 to 2 cloves of garlic, a little bit of ginger paste, would be probably about a 1 centimetre piece of ginger if you want to use fresh, a little splash of sesame oil, around about a teaspoon and a half, depending on how you like it. Give that a stir through, get that meat all covered in those little sauces. Very easy. Add your vegetables back in. They're not quite cooked up yet, doesn't matter, they're going to keep cooking in this stir fry. So stir all of that through, just like I'm doing right there. Now in the meantime, add your onion, by the way, and in the meantime I've just got some packaged noodles. I've got them soaking in some nice warm water. Add a little bit of soy sauce, probably about 2 teaspoons worth. Right, it looks a lot coming out of that. It's not, it's a very, very small hole in that bottle. Give that a nice stir through once more. I'm going to add in our chicken stock and corn starch combination, and that's going to create a beautiful sauce. It's going to leach out some of that soy and the oyster sauce and sesame oil and create the perfect sauce for this dish. In goes our packet of noodles. I buy these packet noodles all the time, the ones that you just need to reheat up in a bit of warm water or boiling water, and they're just perfect. And there you go, your cooking segment is finished. All we have to do now is serve up. Love to see you try and make this one at home. It is so cheap to make. You can buy chickens now for around about $3 a kilo. That was a 2.2 kilo chicken, if my memory serves me right. We got 2 meals out of it, plus a couple of extra sandwiches. Doesn't cost that much to do. Alright, so to serve that up, make sure you get some of that sauce. Thank you so much for watching this video, really do appreciate it. If you like this video, hit that like button, gives me confidence, should make you feel warm and fuzzy too. Share this video with all your friends on all platforms of social media. We're trying to get the name of KP's Kingdom out there. More importantly, hit that notifications bell to be notified every time a new video goes up. I've got some really cool recipes coming up in the future, and depending on how my MS is playing up is also going to depend on how often I post. Anyway, want to see more from me? Hit that subscribe button and you'll never miss another one of my videos again after eating my beautiful chicken roast stir fry, and I will catch you next time. Bye!